We were sailing smoothly when suddenly a storm came, flipping the ship, abandoning it. Luckily, I was washed ashore.
Oh no, how do I get off this island?
What to do? I only have this flashlight. That's right. Morse code or light. Now I must wait for a passing ship. A ship. Repeated it for hours, till I was rescued.